Shemai! This is a ukulele tutorial for Somewhere Over the Rainbow by Israel Kamakawiwo'ole, better known as Iz. Now this is by far our most popular ukulele play-along video, which you can find on our Ukuleleans channel, and I'll pop a link to it in the description. Now then, I'm aiming this video at beginners, so I have kept the chords nice and simple. So let's take a look at them. There's a C chord, an F, a G, A minor, E minor, and an E7 chord. And if you're not sure how to play any of those, check out the chord descriptions below, because it'll tell you which strings and frets to play, and the numbers are your fingers. So let's take a little look at the strumming. Now there are many tutorials on YouTube how to do the strumming for this. We use a simple island strum: down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. On the second down to give this sort of feel. So you get the idea. Some of the chords will have just the one down, down, up, down, up pattern. Some of them will have two, so you follow the little ukulele throughout the video. Now I do get asked a lot of questions about the strumming of this song, and I think that's because when Iz recorded it, he used a tenor ukulele with a low G string, and he seems to pluck the first note of each strum pattern. So it sounds something like this. Get the idea? Now I'll be doing the play along in a moment with my concert with a high G and a normal island strum, but hopefully that explains the difference with the sounds. Okay, so let's play through the song. It starts on a C chord, down, down, up, down, up, nice and lightly. Pitch wise, this is not great for my voice, so I'm sure I probably will be fast forwarding through parts of the song. Here we go, get ready. Okay, so it's just one pattern for each of the chords to start with. Now it's 2 on the A minor, 2 on the F, and then for the rest of the song. Alright, let's get ready to sing. Chorus. Someday I'll wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Oh, someday I'll wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, hope that has helped. Don't forget there's a matching ukulele play along on our Ukuleleans channel. Please subscribe here and thanks for watching.